Welcome back to one of my videos, and in this one I more want to have a look at one of the questions I recently got. I thought why not, might be useful for others as well. So if you're in BoPrint and you would like to take out a report of your various components, we can see we have these by default in metric anyway, because I'm in the English version of Bocad. I got them in metric, in kilos, and square meters. If now I would like to get these out, let's say in pounds, for example, instead of kilos, there are some options under unit assignment, whereby I would say weight goes in pounds, accuracy is 0.1, and I can see that the weights did not change. Oh, by the way, we'd have to remove the icons here. The mark numbers take a bit too much space. That would be with print icons off. Better like this. But still, it doesn't solve the weight issue. For that, you actually have to go to the imperial version, whether it is Excel or the standard PDF style reports. And there, let's check again, unit assignment. Let's start off with the kilos. So here we have 218. Remove those icons again, by the way. Unit assignment 0.1. Back in there again, and now we get the weights in pounds. By the way, I see that the feet and square feet are also not expressed properly. Why is that? Simply because in the unit assignment we never mentioned what accuracy we wanted and what kind of type of how we would like to express the feet inches with leading 0 yes no, with feet inch symbol yes no, and so on. But I would like to stay in metric. Although the bolts, they would be in feet inches, well dimensions, metric, level, metric, slope, metric, area, metric, 1 mil, 1 mil, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, oops, and that would be 1/16 of an inch, and 1, and for the surface 2 digits, and then we get metric lengths, metric surfaces, imperial weights. And if we have a look at the bolts over there, we will get pounds and imperial sizes. So you can mix and match, but you have to take Excel imperial configuration or the other Bocad 3D imperial configuration. That's it. See you in the next video.